Artificial intelligence is walking into the classroom. And no, that is not a line from some sci-fi movie. It's happening right now. And it's about to completely reshape the world of special education. Now, for students with disabilities and the teachers who dedicate their lives to them, this is a game changer. But the real question is, are you ready for it? For years, we've seen special education teachers as heroes, juggling huge workloads and mountains of paperwork, and the incredible challenge of meeting every child's unique needs. It's a constant search for a better way to personalize learning and to break down barriers. Today, I want to show you the unbelievable new AI tools that are making that dream a reality. We'll explore how AI is helping to create classrooms that fit the students, but not the other way around. And just as important, how it's changing the job of being a special educator for the better. So let's dive in because I found it really helpful with me this year. So the real challenge that we have. So let's be real about the current struggles in special education. We are in the middle of a burnout crisis. Teachers like myself are drowning in admin work, from crafting individual education programs, IEPs, hours of data tracking, behavioral support, compliance forms. Everything is so much work for teachers that everything now is just so stress related for us teachers, and most are working over the hours that they're supposed to. I'm working right through the weekends to plan programs for my teachers, my children. It's not sustainable. It's affecting family lives. It's affecting our whole well-being and mental stress. It affects the students too. When teachers are buried in paperwork, they have less time to actually teach, especially the one-to-one support that so many of our neurodivergent learners need. Creating unique, differentiated materials for every student is a massive issue. It's nearly impossible with the workload. The system is stretched thin. And while the desire to support every child is there, the time and the tools often are not there. And so, what if we could change that? Now we have AI. Is it a solution? This is where AI steps in, not as a robot teacher, but as a powerful assistant. AI is already beginning to solve two of special education's biggest problems. First, it's making learning more personalized and accessible for students. Second, it's slashing the administrative burden that burns out teachers. So let's look exactly how it's doing that, okay? A new era has formed. It has personalized the learning, especially for me this year. It has really helped me with my reports and my IEPs and everything I'm doing. The magic of AI is in the ability to adapt to real time. The AI-powered platforms can tailor the content, the speed, and even the delivery style based on the students' individual learning needs. This isn't a one-size-fits-all model. It's a one-size-fits-one revolution. Imagine a student with dyslexia using a tool that reads text aloud, highlights tricky words, and breaks them down in real time. Or a student with limited motor skills using predictable text and eye tracking to type independently for the very first time. And not to mention students on the autism spectrum. There are now interactive AI games that rewrite learning tasks using the students' personal interests, helping them stay engaged and reducing overwhelmed. This is more than a small improvement. This is about creating a classroom where the curriculum blends to the student, not the other way around. Yes, it worked. And with instant feedback and progress tracking, no one gets left behind. So, let's break it down into communication barriers that it is helping here. So, communication is everything. It's so important to our children, especially those with autism. But for many students with disabilities, it's one of the biggest hurdles. That's where AI is making some incredible progress. Take AAC devices used by pre-verbal students to communicate. AI can now learn the students' unique language patterns and to help them express themselves more clearly and more naturally. In classrooms, real-time captioning tools can instantly display a teacher's words on screen, supporting deaf or hard of hearing students without missing a beat. And assistive tech is evolving fast. Smart glasses like Xander glasses can now display captions in front of your eyes live. Other tools in development can turn speech into braille and let a student control a device with nothing more than a subtle head tilt or an earbud. These innovations are tearing down the barriers that once limited students' independence and voice. But what about those with executive functioning support that needs that support? So, if you're a student with ADHD or challenges with executive function, staying on task, or organizing your work can be very overwhelming. AI can act like a personal executive assistant. It can build visuals, schedules, set reminders, break down assignments into small, manageable steps. And no, it's not about doing the work for them. It's about empowering the student to learn how to manage tasks independently with support that builds confidence instead of frustration. It's scaffolding life skills in a way that works. Teachers' new superpower is this AI. So let's talk about the teachers again, because this is where AI can really shine. Administrative overload is one of the top reasons why teachers leave the field of education. And AI is giving us a solution to that problem. Tools like MagicSchool AI or Education CoPilot can help generate entire IEP drafts, complete with measurable goals and legal language. Some schools are saving dozens of hours per month just by using these tools. And it doesn't stop there. AI can create differentiated worksheets, puzzles, and even visual lesson plans in a fraction of the time it used to take. It can even help coordinate complex therapy schedules or provide translation support for multilingual families. It's not replacing teachers, it's giving them the gift of time. Time to teach, because I don't feel like I'm teaching anymore. Time to connect. Time to breathe. But as everything, there's also the ethics that comes with it. Let's talk about the ethics. But here is the thing. As exciting as this all is, we have to talk about ethics and equity. First, AI is not a substitute for human relationships. No algorithm can replace a teacher's intuition, compassion, or the simple power of presence. And second, we need to watch for bias. AI learns from data, and if that data is biased, it can unintentionally reinforce discrimination. We must be transparent and intentional in how we design and use these tools. And third, privacy matters. We're talking about vulnerable children here. Their data must be protected at all costs. And lastly, this can't just be available to schools with money, because access to AI shouldn't depend on your social standing. Okay? If this is going to work, it needs to work for every child that is out there. Now, let's wrap up everything we just went through there. AI in special education isn't just a passing trend. It's the start of something quite big. Something that could truly change the way we support our students with disabilities. It's giving students the tools for independence, access, and self-expression. It's giving teachers relief, time, and support. But like any major shifts, it's not automatic. We need training. We need policies. We need people who care, like you, to lead the way. So let me ask you again. AI is changing special education. Are you ready? If this video gave you something to think about, please hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And I'd love to know what excites you the most about AI in education and what worries you, because I have worries as well. Drop those thoughts in the comments. Let's have the conversation, because the future of education is already here and it's being built right now together. Thank you.